idling. I'm trying to get a little progress. I went through and cleaned up some electrical. It's idling great. I want to throw this in, see what we're getting while I'm driving. I'm looking to see 13.2 volts. I'm trying to see what kind of operating temperatures we're getting on a lot of the transmission functions and the cylinders. So that connected, let's see. I'll just throw that up there while we cruise around. Oh, jeez, Louise. Transmission control module fault. Now hold on, let me say a couple things. I did some repairs and I never cleared the codes on this. So maybe I'll clear them in a minute. Keep doing this thing. It says clear all. I think I've already fixed what needs to be cleared. We could clear it and run it and see how it's doing. I left my wallet at the house. Jeez. Criminal. Alright, let's see. Clear codes. She's smoking like a sailor. I need to run the DTC report. Let me let that load again. And we'll try it in just a second. I put some shutter fix in this torque converter. We'll see if it works. Next thing, the only codes that are coming up are the EGR valve and map sensor. I have a new map sensor in here, brand new, so I went ahead and cleared it. We're gonna let it run and see. Oh God, look at that. It's doing that same old problem when I get down in, I guess it's third gear, it starts to just get a little buck nasty. It's like, I got the live data running. We'll pull over just a second and take a look at this. I'm trying to do 15 things at once without slinging my phone out the truck. She's not doing too good. She's smoking pretty bad. Temperature of evaporator, I tend to forget that that's not hooked up, but look what is. got 48 Celsius on the cylinder head temp. And it looks like we've got a cylinder head temperature sensor regularity. Maybe not. EGR valve, blah, blah, blah. Running good. I don't understand pressure of fuel tank. I need to change the settings on here. I've got it all crazy. Okay, here we go. Transmission. Allowed highest gear, 3rd gear. That truck was recording me. I see you. Can I modify that? Let's see what we got going on. It's gonna fall regardless. Man, this truck, it's giving me a headache. It just needs a carburetor. It's saying allowed highest is now 4th gear. I had the overdrive switch on and it's showing it's in 4th already. It's downshifted to 3rd and it confirmed on there. Down to 2nd. I mean the OBD2 reader's working great. The transmission seems to be doing good. Boy, when she gets an overdrive, it's not happy. Well, the AC is blowing ice cold. And everything seems to be running great. We're just having that issue. I'll deal with this another day. It's getting a little smoky.